So guys, on this video, I want to talk about this website, which is called Usaveseotools.com. So this website is a SEO tools website. They have multiple tools on this platform. You can find content generating tools. If you want email validation, email marketing tools, SEO tools. So they have 50 SEO tools on this platform. So you just need to go through and see what is the type of tools that you are looking for. You can see, let us say you want to rewrite articles. There's the tool here. All you just need to do, click on it, and here you are going to paste in your articles you want to rewrite. Paste in your articles here, and all you just need to do is to scroll down here and verify that you are not a robot, and click on submit, and immediately it will automatically rewrite that article for you. And it is very fast. It's very fast. And let us say you want a plagiarism. You want to dictate if your articles has already been existing online. You can do it too from this website, which is called Usaveseotools. Come to this website, you'll find a tool that you can use, which is called plagiarism checker. I will click on plagiarism checker, and what you just have to do again, paste in your article here and scroll down, verify again that you are not a robot, and click on check for plagiarism, and immediately it will dictate and tell you if that article has already been existing online or not, or 50% or 40% of that articles has already been existing. Let us say you want to see your mental tax analyzer. All you just need to do, click on this part again and paste in the URL of your website, and it will show you the mental tax that is on that your particular website, and the formula of the tax that you are using on that your particular website. Let us say, for example, you want to do keyword research, or you want to see your keyword that you are ranking for, the position of your keyword. So keyword position checker. Click on this part again, and you are going to check, enter your domain here and enter the keyword at the bottom here. And what this website is going to do is going to show you the position of that particular keyword that you are ranking for. Verify that you are not a robot and click on this part where it said find keyword position, and it's going to show you the position of your keyword. It's very simple, guys, and many people are not aware of this website, which is called Usaveseotools. Let us say you want to a backlink. So backlink checker. Click on this backlink checker tool again. It's going to open up, enter the domain of your website, and it's going to tell you the backlink that is available on that your website. Let us go back again. You know, I love this website, which is called Usaveseotools, because it have all the tools that you can pay in other websites, like monthly subscription for almost $100. You can have all these old tools for free. Word counter. Let us say you write an article and you are having on your head, maybe you want to write a particular amount of a word in that content you are writing, but you have written the article or you have written that letter, but you have not counted the word. Let us say they give you a minimum amount of word to write on that particular letter. Let us say they say 100 word. You can just come to this website, Usaveseotools, click on where it said word counter. Once I click on word counter here, it's going to open the same page, and all I need to do is to paste in the article here and click on count. Immediately it will count the word. Let me say I type in hello world. When I type in hello world here, I click on count. Immediately it will show you here, it will say that you have written 2 words and 11 character. It's simple as that, guys. It's simple. This website, Usaveseotools, is the best platform that I have ever seen that is 100% free. So you just need to try this website out. You can see a lot of things that you can do: link analyzer, keyword dissension checker, URL rewriting tool, server status checker, generate source code of web page, speed page checker. all these whole tools, you find them on this website. You can see email privacy, broken link finder. So all these whole things, you will find all these whole tools on this website. So backlink maker, if you want to make backlink on that website that you are using, you can just click here again and you go through and enter your website URL here and click on submit. Immediately it will create backlink for that your website. All these are tools that you can find in other websites for paid plan, but you can get everything on this website for 100% free. So let us say you want to take a screenshot of a website. You can do it too from this particular website. To take a screenshot, click here and immediately it's going to open up. Enter the website URL here, accept that you are not a robot and click on the part where it says submit, and immediately is going to take the screenshot of that particular website. So that is it, guys. Let me just scroll down. Even when I scroll down a bit here, you see these are all these whole tools that you will find for free. So all you just need to do is to go through all the whole tools and see what is working for that particular solution you are trying to solve on that your website. It's not only about SEO tools. This can help you to do a lot of things. Let us say you want to take a website screenshot. You can do it here, website screenshot generator. If I click on it, once you click on it, enter the website URL here and click on you are not a robot and click on submit. Immediately it's going to generate the tool for you. So that is what I want you to know about this SEO tools, which is called Usaveseotools.com. Go and try this tool out. Let me know what you think about this tool in the comment section, guys. I really like this tool and it's what I'm using. And do you know the person that owns this tool? Ask me that in the comment section, guys. I will tell you the owner of this tool.